This is Kristen Welker. With the stroke of a pen, President Trump resurrecting two controversial projects today, the Keystone XL Pipeline and the Dakota Access Pipeline, casting it as a campaign promise kept to create more jobs. We
will build our own pipeline. We will build our own pipes. That's what it has to do with, like we used to in the old days.
A reversal on two Obama-era projects that were stalled, a flashpoint for environmental protesters, many who camped out for months. Native Americans who live near the Dakota Access Pipeline say the project could destroy their homes and sacred sites. Last year, they won a battle with the Army Corps of Engineers to delay the project. Tonight, they're devastated, but vowing to fight on.
We will stand in prayer. We will continue to stand. And we are not afraid.
Environmentalists and landowners are equally heated about blocking Keystone. That pipeline would carry 800,000 barrels of oil a day from Canada to the Gulf Coast. Proponents argue it could create close to 10,000 short-term construction jobs, but only 50 would be permanent. Opponents counter the move would harm the environment. Still, the White House insists construction will move quickly.
He wants to make sure that we get this process back on track and get it moving. It's too important for the jobs and economy of our country.
Tonight, the Senate confirmed Nikki Haley as the next U.S. ambassador to the UN. She could be sworn in as early as tonight. Meanwhile, an administration official tells me the executive orders still on tap this week relate to immigration and border security. Lester.
Kristen Welker at the White House tonight. Thank you. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.